What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games. There's birds outside chirping, making so much noise. But, you know, it's beautiful nature. You guys want to see? I don't think it's gonna. Let me turn on the autofocus, and you guys can see the view here. Wow, very beautiful. Hopefully you can see it decently. All right. So we're sitting at 0.2431, down 0.98 on the day. St. Market 523 million, 24-hour volume 42.91 million. Let's hop into the charts. So we got rejected from our wave 2 pullback zone. This wave count was updated in the Discord. So we're looking for that wave C, and wave C is a 5-wave move. So we have a wave 1 down, pull back into 2, and you're likely to come down in a 3, 4, 5. So we'll give a target. This is a micro count, so just take it with a grain of salt. But the 1.618 for the wave 3, wow, that's pretty deep. Would take you all the way down to about 0.021. I'm just going to remove this fib so it's not distracting. Pull down this 4. Yeah, the 1.618 would take you all the way down to 0.0212. Which is within our target zone, wave 4, wave 5. Now, the minimum target for a 3 is the 1 extension, so just keep that in mind. It's lining up with the 50% at about 0.022. But you can see this wave count for the wave C brings us back down into our target zone. Ideal place to grab some Gala as a long-term hodl position, even as a trade, to trade this potential wave 3, entering the wave 2 pullback zone. All right, guys. So that's what we're looking at. Not too much to update here on the daily chart. EMAs are continuing to tighten, which is exactly what we want to see. So we tighten, and the price squeeze, and hopefully we squeeze above them. We have the bullish cross, and we're good to go. All right, gang, we recently locked in a 36% juicy gain on our Bitcoin long trade, and we have 3 other trades that are currently open. It's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Sign up to one of the exchanges to receive a juicy bonus, extra bonus, if you email me or sign up email after your first deposit. Up to 8K bonuses on Bitkit, up to 30K on Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit. Check out my full-length tutorial. And yeah, $10 a month for my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays Forex signals analysis as well. And I'm posting a little bit of analysis now on Threads, IG's new Twitter, basically, so you can follow me there. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.